Well, wouldn't you know it, I get the car from Denver, and the next day we have a blizzard. This car came with a blizzard. I guess I'm going to have to call this car the Blizzard. The Ford Fairlane Blizzard. You order a car from Colorado and this is what you get. There it goes. Just brushed all the snow out of it. You know, they look sick with the bad tires and the Krager wheels. And spoiler on the front. I don't know if it's probably worth more original as it sits with the original hubcaps and the radial tires and air conditioning too. Yeah, look at that fantastic grill. See me cruising down the road with my cowboy hat on? Yeah. $1968. Where were you in 1968? So I was 11 years old. Yeah, 1968. Just trying to show every angle of the car, and you can't see any dents or scratches or nothing like that with the little bit of snow that's on there. And actually the car is not too bad at all. I'll get underneath and check all that out. Driver's side door here, side mirrors, seat belts, shoulder harnesses. I seen one online that was in pretty good shape. They wanted $8,000. That's double what I paid for this. Well, I'll get on out of here. You guys already seen the inside. I'm gonna go in the house. It's friggin' cold. This is Bo out here, you know who? And you know where.